Somebody's here because I'm ready to speak to. I'm pressing charges to a fucking sheriff. And I'm coming in hot. We'll be live. Hey y'all boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, the citizen of the world. Y'all remember yesterday? Well, today I was at the gas station and somebody wants to yell out the window and a sheriff or a police car talking about we're going to arrest you. Well, you know what? Today, in front of my attorney yesterday, I'm here to stand. Got something to say? Let's go with it. I'm here to press charges. Hey, you remember yesterday I was here? Well, today I was at the gas station from the director yesterday of what I was going through. Today, I want to file a criminal complaint because I believe it was a sheriff or police officer yelled out the window talking about, we're going to get you. So now I'm here today to press charges. I'm done with intimidation and threats.
Okay, go upstairs for me. I just want to talk to you, okay?
Upstairs? Thank you. They had me going upstairs to somebody to talk to me. I never been up here.
Hello.
How you doing?
Hi.
And what's your name?
Investigator McDavid.
How you doing, Miss Rebecca? I'm Miss Wilson. Yesterday I had a problem with Miss Wheat. Well, I had a problem with her before, but yesterday in the courthouse,
Who's Miss Wheat?
she's a female sheriff with y'all.
Oh.
Badge 144.
So you need to make a complaint on
Well, she did it in front of my attorney, in front of the judge.
So that has to go through a supervisor.
Understandable, I got that from yesterday.
Let me see if I can find out. She was with the court. So let me see if I can find
Can I
out.
just finish before you I didn't understand that I had to finish my complaint on that. But a while ago, I was at the gas station, and it happened so fast. I believe it was a sheriff or a police officer went past by, rolled their window down, talking about, we will arrest you. And it was like, it happened so fast. The directed of a threat yesterday, and the statement a while ago, I'm here to file charges.
Okay, yeah, you have to go through it.
But I want to bring it to y'all's attention.
Yeah, we won't, because it involves internal affairs.
Okay.
So let me see if I can find it. Is she with the court?
She's at the courthouse from yesterday. I gave the lady yesterday about my information from past tense, how she was on my video on my page, and then she did what she did at the courthouse in front of my attorney and the judge, and then a little comment from another officer. I'm not dealing with it. I'm not dealing with it.
Let me see if I can find it.
I appreciate it. Thank you. I'm here to be business. I'm having a seriously. If I came to the street, on our public street, after the threat of a hostile, aggressive behavior yesterday, this is it. Put my helmet right there.
Rose gold quick. I'm not sure if they're just handling if there was some cash.
Okay. And was it taken from you?
Oh, yes, ma'am, it broke out of my, I received this letter here, but I don't know what all this is, I don't know who they are.
Okay.
But I do have my, I gotta go back to the card where the officer that came, I have his card and the case number, but I'm guessing that's what this is.
Yeah, a case number would be super helpful.
Okay, let me just, I can give you this ID and I can just run to the card with it.
That would be great. Thank you.
Hello, ma'am.
How you doing?
Come on back.
All right. What's your name?
I'm John Lewis.
How you doing, John Lewis?
I'm great.
Are you an investigator or turn affair?
No, ma'am. I am the supervisor over court services.
Oh, okay. I
What's your name?
I'm Miss Wilson. Irene Wilson.
Okay, nice to meet you, Miss Wilson.
My name is Matt Law.
Well, we can go on.
Okay, it doesn't matter. Whatever's comfortable for you. All right.
Let's see, right.
All right, appreciate it. I'm put my helmet right here.
What kind of motorcycle do you ride?
It ain't a motorcycle, it's a moped. A 45.9 cc moped, DOT certified, no tiger insurance required. Already been through the system. Yeah. I was just wanting to clarify your answer. I'm sorry. What was your name again?
John Lewis.
Can
Major John Lewis.
Lewis. Okay. Oh, my dyslexia. I'm gonna say Lewis. Is that okay? Okay with you? Okay. Well, Mr. Lewis, yesterday in the courtroom, Miss Wheat got passive aggressive, hostile, and very want to be like intimidated tax, just like ready to bounce on me type deal in front of the judge and my attorney. And her remarks yesterday, I will arrest you and chump you with charge and make it stick. And she's like, I put my hand up like this on the bench to make sure it's arm length. If she wants to play froggy, you know, she's gonna do it in front of the judge and my attorney. But I spoke to someone yesterday about it, and I already know that I need to fill out my grievance, and it's going to take time for me. And I do have to write down, my attorney has to write down his statement from what he witnessed and observed himself in that courtroom. Well, today, I was at the gas station. While to go. That's what made me fly over here for this reason, because y'all usually don't come here except for a request.
Well, I don't
Well, I know I'm filling you in. I'm in a situation with the Newnan Police Department as it is. Y'all some good people. Y'all obey our rights, oath. Y'all do it by the book, and y'all safety. Either way, I come in peace and I am in peace. Y'all can check my background. But since yesterday, I was at the gas station just a minute ago.
What gas station?
Right here by 29, beside the barbecue place. I can't remember. It's like a barbecue place, little garage thing, then it's the gas station.
When
It's
you
like
say barbecue, you talking about Sprayberries?
I think it's with a pig on it. I don't know the name. I don't
I mean,
remember.
most barbecue places have a pig on
Yeah, but it has the truck with a pig on it.
it. Okay.
I don't eat there, so I don't know. Well, I think it was a sheriff or a Newnan police car rode by and yelled out. It was really quick, but I couldn't make out half of what they said, but I made out some of it. We will get you and arrest you, something in that line. So that threat from yesterday, I was in fear and danger of my life, my safety, all of.
What?
But that remark from just a few minutes ago, what made me turn around and come here.
What color was the car?
I believe it was black, because I know y'all are white sheriff.
Most of them.
Most of them. So that's why I just came here. Then after here, I'm going to go to the police department, to whatever. But I want to bring it to y'all's attention from what happened yesterday.
But
Go ahead, I'm
I
sorry.
need to find out exactly
I don't
what
know.
happened yesterday.
Right. I can give you my attorney's information. He can give you his side of the statement, what he observed and stuff.
Who's your attorney?
Give me 1 second. Matt Law.
Matt Tucker.
Matt Tucker and Law.
Let me get my phone real quick.
No
I'll take a
problem.
picture of that.
No.
I'll
Yes,
be right
yeah,
back.
you're fine.
I
I'm just having a panic attack and anxiety attack situation. I'm just kind of calm down.
You're safe here.
I know it's just
Okay?
my dyslexic situation.
Okay.
Okay. It just, I'm starting
Say
to.
that again.
All right, give me one. I'm gonna pull it out for you so you can take a picture, a better picture of it. It's just, I'm to the point now. I can't even ride down the street without being harassed or threatened of violence or charges against me for no apparent reason. Because, like I stated, I am dealing with a case with Noonan Police Department, all because of a lady at the non-organization at Bridging the Gap did a 161020, a 161026, and the officer did a 161021.
What is that?
False police report 161020, false police of a report 161026 is a false arrest of imprisonment, and a 161020.1 is a police false report of a statement. That's what I'm going through with the Noonan Police Department. This same officer, Miss Wheat, kind of dealt with her before, but I shrugged it off. But since yesterday, her passive aggressive hostility to use violent force, I was in fear for my safety of my life, and my attorney did see that and observed it, and the judge also. So it was other witnesses in that courtroom, and
Can you tell me what happened?
I was sitting at the bench, and I was just doing
Sitting at
the bench in the courtroom on second floor
the
courtroom.
table with the
No. The bench is here.
Okay, behind me.
Yeah. I was sitting at the bench, and my attorney was up there speaking, and I'm just sitting here doing my little notes, like what keeps me calm. So I found something interesting, so I kind of quiet and respectful, trying to get my attorney's attention, and then she comes up, passive aggressive, like she wants to go hands-on force, violent.
If she wanted to put hands on me, she would have.
I know she would have did it.
If she needed to, but I don't know.
But
I
it
don't know
wasn't
the circumstances.
right. But it wasn't no call for and no need for the violence she tried to uphold on her over her power, authority. So that's under police misconduct.
Well,
I know,
I've
I'm-
got to look into
right.
it and talk to the judge and find out what judge were you in front of.
It was a female lady, floor 2, room A.
Okay.
That day it was some
Judge Blackish.
I can't remember her name. It's on my paperwork in here. I have a dyslexic. I remember faces but not names. In front of some witnesses and some jury people was in there, you know, that scenario. So I don't know if they want to be bear witness or that scenario, but it was audio recorded in that room. And one of your other sheriff officer man who was standing where the area is where he posted to be standing at the platform, podio, whatever you want to call it. I don't know the one name for it. He had a body cam on his above his ear by his eye. I don't know if it was recording or was this.
Probably not, because the judge doesn't allow it.
Right. But, you know, audio recording on y'all's standpoint on that federal law.
What are you talking about? Audio recording on a federal law?
We can't record, but
No, we don't record either unless there's a situation of violence.
Okay, I
Activate the camera.
understand that, but it was, and it was audio and recorded in that courtroom by the cameras in there and by the lady that does.
We don't have cameras in there.
You can try to discredit, flip it, your scenario, whatever. Can I please finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. From the incident from yesterday, I was already shook up about it, and I was trying to go about my business of my day, trying to head to my mama. From what that officer person that rode by and yelled out his window for no parent calls, because you know who I am, you know what I look like, and state that we will, you know, that scenario have me arrested, and what we said that she will charge me with any crime to make it stick, and how force of police misconduct she was towards me and the witness of my attorney and the judge. Today, I should not be feared by riding down the street or be threatened or intimidated by anybody in that badge or that uniform for no apparent reason.
But you gotta understand,
And
the Union Police and the Coweta.
It's two different things.
And you don't. You
I've
can't
been
even
living in
tell
this-
me who it was that yelled at you.
Did they stop? No.
Yeah, but you had to see the vehicle.
And I just stated it was around probably a black and white, because y'all do have black and white patrol cars, and y'all also have white patrol cars.
We don't have any black and white patrol cars.
But
We
you
used
just,
to have one, but we don't have any anymore.
okay, understandable, but what you stated a while ago, yeah, y'all do have some black and whites. So that would just contradict your statement. I'm not
We
trying.
have different colored cars for different units.
Right.
But we don't have black and white.
I
cars.
might be illiterate and dumb, but I'm not stupid. I've been living in this county for almost, give or take, about 20 years. I've been off contracts with the state since 13. I ain't trying to have these new officers come in this county and try to intimidate citizens around to throw the way they.
We don't tolerate that either.
Right, and I understand that. And so, from what happened yesterday, that I'm in the process of doing my complaint and my attorney going to give his statement and all that, it's already been aware. But me driving down the street at a gas station and an officer wrote, doesn't matter if it's a sheriff or a police officer, should not yell out the window
No, they shouldn't.
and do some statements like that. That's very inappropriate.
But if it's not one of
I
our
understand,
officers,
right,
then
right, and I
can't
understand.
do that.
I understand that. Like I stated, I wanted to talk to somebody here, and when I get done with here, I'm gonna go over there to the police department. Go ahead and answer that. Must
No, I
be.
already put it off. It's a spam call.
Oh,
I was
okay.
trying to cut it off.
Oh, yeah, you're fine. Y'all have fighting crime. I'm very aware of it. I'm with that. I'm with y'all with that. It just.
All right. Well, so it was yesterday in state court,
From
second floor.
right courtroom. From that, what she done and stated to me, and her Georgia law, even somebody makes a comment of a statement like that can be as a threat, in here in Georgia.
Well, I'm familiar with the criminal
Right,
laws
right.
of the state. I'm
And
not in investigations.
right.
I was there for
You're just
17
taking my
years, yeah.
report, and I do
Yeah, what I'm gonna
appreciate
do
your
is
time.
Follow up, and I'm
Yes.
gonna go over to the courthouse. I'll talk to the judge, and I'll talk to
The situation and talk to my attorney.
your attorney, and
Right.
I'll actually talk to the officer.
He will be back up here on the 19th because we still got to go back to court.
Be up here. Is he not from Noonan?
No, he's from Jonesboro.
Okay.
I got an attorney out of district because none of these attorneys wouldn't take me because I'm fighting a case against the lady who just started Bridging the Gap 11 and a half months prior from May 23rd.
So are you in a civil case with Bridging the Gap or a criminal case with Bridging the
You
Gap?
can say both. I just,
Call him as soon as you
right.
get this off.
I just wanted to bring it to y'all's attention and be aware and let you know I am trembling and shaking and scared for my safety of my life because I shouldn't be. And it's uncalled for and inappropriate to roll down the window and to antagonize the citizens like me. It's very unprofessional. And I do appreciate your time and away from your duty to speak to me. And I take it all in
Do you
consideration.
know what time it was?
It was about, let's see, it didn't even take me not even 6 minutes to get here. So probably about maybe 11 minutes ago. Give or
It's
take.
11:20 now.
Give or take.
So 10 after 11 maybe?
I believe so,
something like
give or take. I'm still like shaking about the situation, but when I woke up this morning, I was thinking about rainbows and unicorns. Trying to put it in a good mind state.
that. Okay, and I'll look and see if I had any cars that have.
And like I
GPS on them.
stated, after when I get done with here, I'm gonna go straight to the police department.
Okay, just for clarification.
Yes.
If it was a black and white marked patrol car.
So it has to be one of those.
It has to be an
Okay.
NPD.
Okay. Thank you for
Ours
clarifying.
are all white with
Oh.
gold writing,
Okay.
or they're either unmarked.
Yeah, because like I said, I've been here about almost 20 years. So, yeah,
I think we still have one that's light silver. But
give or take. I don't think I've seen it on the road here lately. Yeah.
we had one black and white for, it was used, a car we refurbished.
Right.
Still
A police
repainted.
impound situation. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm very aware of everything.
Okay.
Um,
Well, I will look into it. Is there a number I can call you back at? Or?
yes. Hold on, let me. Sorry, y'all. 404-936-6647. This is my personal phone.
404 what?
936
Uh-huh.
6647. My name is Irene Wilson. When I get shaken up, I start talking fast, or when I'm nervous, I'm like a chatterbox.
No, that's okay. It's my job is to listen to chatterboxes.
Right, but with reasonable complaint situations. I have before last year, I have never been harassed, intimidated, or anything from any officers
So why do you think it's starting now?
because I am freedom of, Georgia one party state. I'm holding everybody liable because this ain't the second time Bridging the Gap have done something like this, and this time they have crossed the line.
Okay, I have
Oh, well,
no
I know.
idea what they're
I
doing. That's none of my business. I don't
Right,
wanna know.
and that's why I ain't going into details. I'm just giving you part of that information to somewhat clarify the situation at the standpoint, if I'm saying it correctly. I might be saying it wrong.
Well, I don't know why any enforcement would be harassing you because of a deal with Bridging the Gap.
Right, and I understand that, but the scenario, on the other hand, is because they're playing favoritism because they're like in the public eye situation. I'm looking at it in both point of view of the hand.
Well, I'm not following you on that, because we don't, I mean, we work, we have Bridging the Gap assist us if we need to help
Right,
someone. but
understandable that.
That's the only time we
Right,
deal with them, but
understandable.
they're not close ties with the sheriff's.
Right, I
office.
understand that, but some people that works for each department are friends and somewhat probably family members, you know, in that scenario category. I know you don't know. I know you don't, and you just clarify you don't. And I ain't
And I've been
talking
here 26 years.
right, and I ain't talking about you. I'm talking about the other.
You're just saying there's a possibility.
Yes, it's a possibility.
Okay.
So that's probably the reason
Well,
why.
I will follow up. I'll find out what happened in your case yesterday. As far as today, I don't think it's going to be any of our people, but I'll get somebody to
I understand
check, see if
that.
we got a car in the area.
Yeah, but I just, it just, I'm really shook up because I kind of eased myself yesterday. I woke up, like I said, thinking about rainbows and unicorns. That's just my personality, how to describe something. It's like waking up, listening to birds situations, describe how they feel.
Okay. Well, I will let you know if my deputy was doing her job. I'm going to let you know that. You know, I want to get every side of the story and find out what happened. But
I understand that, and
I expect them to do their job, and if somebody gets loud in the courtroom or does something the judge doesn't want them to do, that's their job to stop.
I understand about that, and it was nothing like that, and I did not do anything like that.
Okay.
So trying to converse it into that favoritism, it ain't going to work. I didn't say you, so please don't jump to.
Please don't suggest it.
I'm not
'cause
suggesting.
there's not going to be any favoritism. If somebody did
I'm not
something
suggesting.
wrong, I will hold them accountable.
Oh, I am going to hold accountable. And might just not be, I'm not going to hold your department accountable, but I am going to hold that lady accountable for that badge and that uniform.
Well, I'll find out what she did. Okay?
It ain't just how she said it, how forcefully she wants to put harm towards me. Physically and emotionally. You can say, you can believe all you want
Well, I've
to.
known her for 20 years.
You know what? How you know for 20? She's just new in this district.
No, ma'am.
Are you sure about that?
I'm positive.
Okay.
I know
What was your
every
name
one of my
again?
employees. John Lewis.
Okay. Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you. If you go to her favors like the Nuna police, I'll be having y'all liable too. And that's not a threat. That's a boycott. Thank y'all. Be safe.
I will look into it and give you a call back.
Oh, and if you don't go in her favors and y'all won't go, I will be pressing charges against her.
You can do it.
Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. Have a nice day. Be safe. Don't violate nobody's rights. Not for you, for your officers.
You may repeat this message by pressing 9 at any time. To call or leave a message for Matt Tucker, dial 202. For Charity Borders, dial 207.
Please wait a moment. Your call is very important to us, and we appreciate the opportunity to be of assistance. Please continue to hold. We'll be right with you. Sorry, no one is available to answer the call.
Hi, you've reached the voicemail of Matt Tucker, attorney at law. I'm unable to take your call. If you'll leave your name, a phone number I can return the call to, and a brief message on what the content of your call is about, I will return your call at my earliest convenience. Once again, thank you for your call.
Hey, Mr. Tucker, this is Miss Wilson. I just spoke to the investigator here at the Coweta County Sheriff Office. They will be giving you a call for your witness statement from Miss Wheat, badge 144, from the courtroom of what you witnessed. I'm just letting you know, and thank you. Have a good day. They had me going upstairs to somebody to talk to me. What's that, y'all? Give me 1 minute. Alright, y'all. Y'all know I was up there at the sheriff's department, right? Well, now I'm at the Noonan Police Department. I am scrambling of my safety in my life and, you know, all of the above. But, hell no. The shit I'm going through, I am not finna be harassed by any fucking body. That's including the people with the badges on and that uniform. So turn y'all around and do my stuff. Oh, it feels good in here. I need to speak to someone.
What is that in reference to?
I just got done from the sheriff's department. One of your black and white cars rolled down his window and yelled out something talking about "we gonna get you." Okay. I'm gonna see that as a threat.
Okay, and you were at the sheriff's department?
I just spoke to the sheriff, but I was at the gas station, you know, where the barbecue place is with the pig or the truck, right down 29, going that way. I was right at the gas station when it happened.
Okay, just have a...
All right, appreciate it. Georgia law, what they consider, and it is statements, consider as a threat. So what, I look ugly, so what, I'm breaking out. It is what it is because y'all know how females are. Thank you. Are they coming off the road?
More than likely, unless someone...
Okay, I'm going to step outside again and smoke a cigarette.
Okay.
All right, thank you. I believe I don't know. I gotta do something about my scooter. Look, that's where my hand done. And that's where my bone broke from right there. That bone right there going that way. I don't know if y'all can see. My hand right there, that bone right there went that way. Yeah, I'm gonna let y'all off for right now until they get here. Peace, love, rainbows, and unicorns. Ooh, cookies. Yep. And some of this stuff's old, like that baby food, that's old. I have a bad shit on cutting a How you doing? Living the dream, living the dream. Putting these tyrants into place. They don't like me. I really don't give a fuck. You on a jury? Oh. How do I get to your page? No, I don't go to school, baby.
I say school.
Oh, my scooter, I drive that bitch all the way to Jonesboro to my attorney's office.
Yeah.
I bucked the system. And I dare you to stop me, and it better be justified.
Yeah.
I know my DOT. Any roadway, highway is 35 to 45 miles per hour.
Yeah, right.
That means on the back roads.
What's your name?
My name is Miss Wilson. Everybody calls me Pink, Good Citizen Pink. Pink. The only reason why they call me Pink, Good Citizen Pink is because of my page.
Yeah.
And plus I like pink all the time. Whew. If I was the person that I used to be. That's what they don't fail to understand. But I ain't.
That changed sometime.
Oh yeah. I've been off contract since 2013. I'm in a lawsuit with this department right now. 1610-26 false imprisonment. 1610-20.1 police false report. I know my misconduct, Georgia laws, and I'm sticking it to their ass. Me and my attorney's finna have one against the sheriff office named Miss Wheat, badge number 144.
Get 'em. Shit, you don't get them, they gonna get you.
It don't matter. Hey baby, how you doing? I've been alright.
What's going on?
I just spoke to the sheriff office and then they confirmed me. Y'all do have a black and white cruiser, right?
It's not
Right.
And I'll bring it up. You know, I'll ask. If
No, well, they didn't make contact. They just rolled by and just yelled out the window.
I'll ask if anybody's seen
Right.
Irene. You know.
Yeah.
Or-
Y'all know you're gonna see me on my pink scooter. If y'all don't see me, only reason why I was down because I had an accident on it
When did you have an accident?
2 months ago. That's when I had my broken arm. I mean my broken hand.
When did you have an accident?
Atlanta, right down the street from my mama's house.
I don't know.
Atlanta.
Atlanta. How'd you get up to Atlanta in this?
DOT roadway highway 35, 45 miles per hour back roads.
Oh wow. How long did it take you?
About 3 hours, give or take.
Did you have to get gas?
About 3 times, not even less than $1.
Wow.
I paid not even less than $1,000 for it. $9.50 straight out the crate, 0 miles. And since I had it, I put 073220 on it.
Wow. You've been riding this thing around, haven't you? So, all right. Well, I'd like to see that.
Right.
Whenever you get it up.
I will.
And then if it's the sheriff's office, go over there and then make a complaint. That way.
You also can see some videos on my page that some of the officers want to be a tyrant, you know, try to throw their barriers.
What page? What page?
YouTube.
What's your YouTube?
Pink.
Okay.
Good Citizen Pink. Yeah, write it.
Okay, I'll write it down. So YouTube, and it's pink.
Pink, Good Citizen Pink. You will see a little, what they call it, avatar. Is like the picture on it.
Yeah.
It's a Sesame Street. It has the Sesame Street on it. It says "Fuck you, I was raised on the street." That's what.
It says what? It says what?
It has the Sesame Street characters like Big Bird, Arnie, whatever,
gotcha.
and the word says "Fuck you, I was raised on the street."
Oh god.
That's my my avatar.
That's your avatar? Sweet. Alright, Irene, well,
I
let me
do.
know, okay?
I will.
And I'll gladly take a look at it. We'll get to the bottom of that, okay?
Okay, you know I come mixed with rainbows and
I'm
unicorns.
saying that. I've dealt with you a couple times. You dealt with me. So.
Yeah, I mean, I don't come for the other people, you know what they do. I just come in here, do my requests, get my cameras and stuff like that. But ever since last year, it's just been hell for me. I want to go back to normal.
Yeah, that'd be a good thing.
Yeah. I do appreciate and thank you, and I hope y'all be safe, and you be safe too as well.
Thank you. You too on that scooter.
Yeah, I know.
People might be pulling out, you know, you gotta be careful.
Yeah.
So, all right, Irene.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Let me know, okay?
Yes. I'm heading to the house now.
Alright, sounds good.
Got a card with your email thing on it, you said?
I don't
Or
have
just-
it on me because I was...
Right. You can write it on a piece of paper or something.
I'll do that. I'll write it on the paper for you.
Why don't you do that? I'll put my helmet on.
Okay.
I'm already stressed out about other situations. I don't do other scenarios to stress me out more.
I hear you.
Because y'all just had to come to my boyfriend's house yesterday for my Monday for my assistants to help me get out.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and they dropped that trespassing order because if somebody invites you back, that's not trespassing. Yeah, I'm gonna go around you and help you. Oh, you got it?
Yeah, I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Yeah, that seems to happen. People when somebody trespasses and inviting them back to the house.
Right.
Alright, so that's my name, Sergeant Klein, and there's my B. Klein at cityofnoonan.org.
Okay, yeah. I mean, really, it's just.
I got you.
And then,
get to the bottom of it.
Right,
Okay?
and you know, it's like these new officers, they want to come in and try to power their authority to make a name for themselves. It shouldn't be like that.
Well, they need to, you know, people need to show respect to each other.
And especially don't do a 1610 20.1.
Mm-hmm.
You know what that is?
No.
false police report by an officer.
Okay.
I'll do that. You be safe.
You too.
Whoosah. Take a deep breath. Whoosah. Whoosah. For real. It don't, oh, I was gonna say it don't work. Hello?
Hey, what are you doing?
Just got done speaking to the Noonan Police Department.
What is Noonan saying?
They want to see my video what I had just a few minutes ago.
Ah.
So I gotta go back to the house and download it and send it to them.
Oh, did you see what color the car was?
Your car or my other car?
No, the police car.
Black and white?
So is it Noonan or the other one?
Noonan is Coweta County. We have a Noonan Police Department and we have a Sheriff Department here.
Yeah.
Yeah, you see my video that was at the Sheriff Department. I did a video a while ago.
Yeah, I was watching that, so that's really nice. So what color was the cars?
Yeah, black and white.
You know who this is, don't you?
Uncle Lee, my brother.
Yeah.
I know my family's voice.
Oh, okay.
The ones I speak to.
You don't know what I look like, but you hear my voice, huh?
I know what you look like. I see pictures.
Oh.
We just ain't seen each other since it was, you came over to Mama's to bring the wheelchair and you left down to Florida.
Yeah, I'm still an ugly motherfucker, but I'm still alive.
Right? We both kicking alive.
Yeah.
Hey, we both give him hell just like our daddy did.
Oh.
Hey, can I call? Huh?
You go ahead.
Can I call you right back? Because I'm still sitting in the middle of the road at the police department.
Oh, yeah. Just call me back later.
Alright, my Bluetooth ain't working.
Okay, just call me later.
Alright, baby.